how to dramatically increase your ROI remarketing on Facebook. ROI, or return on investment, is imperative to being successful in any marketing campaign. If you are to make a net profit from a brand or business, your investments cannot outweigh your income. One of the best ways to avoid this is through remarketing. What is remarketing? As the name might suggest, remarketing is a fairly simple concept. Basically, it is the process of promoting and selling products to customers that have already purchased from you. This can be done by accessing email lists, contact lists, or any other database you store on your website or the like. Remarketing is an excellent strategy once you have gone and made a custom audience on Facebook. What is a custom audience? A custom audience is the same as a target audience, in that it is a specific demographic of people who are most likely going to be interested in your brand. It is not simply people of a certain age or gender. It can be something as specific as people who read a lot of books. If you are a book vendor, you don't want to target people who haven't picked up a bestseller since high school. Creating a custom audience. Much like the Facebook ads interface, Facebook comes with its very own audience creator. You can start by creating a Facebook ads account. Then you are more than ready to get started. Start by going to the custom audience page on the Facebook website, or by going to the Facebook ads page and selecting the Audiences tab in the corner of the page. Uploading customer data. Upon entering the audience creation page, you will be greeted with a quick pop-up allowing you to upload a file that contains customer data. Don't worry if you don't have an organized list of customer emails or ID numbers. Facebook has you covered. There is a variety of attributes that you can upload into the audience creator to find customers on Facebook. Some of these include, but are not limited to, country, city, state and province, phone number, date of birth, year of birth, gender, age, first name, last name, and zip postal code. Once you have uploaded a file containing one or more of these pieces of information, you can go ahead and name the audience for future purposes. Choosing what you want to create. The first step in creating a customized audience is knowing what it is you want to be on the lookout for. There are 3 buttons you can click at the beginning of the custom audience page. Create a custom audience, create a lookalike audience, and create a saved audience. For the most part, you are only going to need to use a saved audience if you have already gone through the custom audience creation process. Take a look at the first 2 buttons. The first one, marked Create a Custom Audience, will most likely be the first page you enter. Creating a lookalike audience is best once you already have created a custom audience to base it off of. Create a custom audience. By clicking on Create a Custom Audience, you'll be brought back to the same pop-up screen that you were given after choosing from one of 4 general list types. Once you have chosen one of these lists to create, you'll be ready to provide names or pieces of information to create a custom audience. Create a lookalike audience. If you have a saved custom audience already, or have a Facebook page that has gotten some traffic, you can go ahead and create a simple lookalike audience based off of the people that have already shown an interest in your brand. To do this, choose the Facebook page you wish to base the audience on. Choose a general location from the search bar provided, and choose a range of 1 to 10% of the population in that location to base the audience off of as well. You can create up to 6 lookalike audiences for a single given location, so be sure to take advantage of different locations across your country during your ad campaign.